Nurses are drowning in a sea of documentation, often spending more time at a screen than at the bedside. Administrative burnout is at an all-time high, pulling us away from the patients who need us most. Generative AI is stepping in to change the workflow of modern nursing. It is time to reclaim our clinical focus.
Unlike traditional software, generative AI uses large language models to synthesize complex medical data into concise summaries. It analyzes patient histories and provider notes to predict care needs and suggest treatment plans. These models learn from vast datasets to provide real-time clinical decision support. It bridges the gap between raw data and actionable insights. By automating charting and discharge summaries, we can finally return to high-touch patient care. AI-powered tools personalize patient education and streamline communication across the entire healthcare team. We are not replacing nurses, we are empowering them with smarter, faster tools. Embrace the future of nursing technology today.